Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of the Kevin Spacey trial, where nothing is quite what it seems. As you may know, the Hollywood star has been accused of multiple sexual assault and harassment allegations in both the US and the UK. From Hollywood star to alleged predator, Spacey's fall from grace has been swift and dramatic. But with the recent dismissal of one of the most high-profile cases against him, we're left wondering, is Spacey innocent or is something more sinister at play? Before we dive into the details of the case, who is Spacey and what exactly was he being charged with? Kevin Spacey is a two-time Academy Award-winning actor known for his roles in movies such as The Usual Suspects and American Beauty. He was also the artistic director of London's Old Vic Theatre from 2003 to 2015. However, his career has been derailed by numerous allegations of sexual misconduct. The first allegations against Spacey came to light in 2017, when actor Anthony Rapp accused him of making an unwanted sexual advance towards him when he was just 14 years old. This sparked a wave of other allegations from men who claimed they had been sexually harassed or assaulted by Spacey, with some of the incidents dating back decades. Since then, Spacey has faced criminal charges in both the United States and the United Kingdom. The case filed by Rapp against Spacey sought around $40 million in damages. However, after a 3-week civil trial in a Manhattan federal court, a jury found that Rapp had not proven his claim that Spacey had made an unwanted sexual advance. Deliberations lasted for more than an hour, and after the verdict was read out by the judge, Spacey reportedly hugged his lawyers before leaving the courtroom. While the dismissal of the case is a victory for Spacey, it's important to note that this doesn't mean he is innocent of all the allegations against him. It simply means that Rapp was unable to prove his claim in a court of law. The verdict also raises questions about the credibility of the #MeToo movement, which was started in 2017 to raise awareness about sexual harassment and assault. The dismissal of the case against Spacey may have significant implications for other victims of sexual assault who are considering taking legal action against their perpetrators. In cases like this, where there is often little physical evidence to support the victim's claim, the burden of proof is very high. The fact that Rapp was unable to meet this burden of proof may discourage other victims from coming forward and seeking justice. However, it's important to remember that the #MeToo movement is not just about legal justice. It's also about raising awareness and changing societal attitudes towards sexual harassment and assault. The fact that so many people have come forward to share their stories of abuse and harassment shows that the movement has been successful in creating a safe space for victims to speak out. The allegations of sexual misconduct against Spacey have had a significant impact on his career. Netflix dropped him from its political drama series House of Cards, and Christopher Plummer replaced him in the role of J. Paul Getty in All the Money in the World. In August, a judge ruled that Spacey must pay $31 million to the producers of House of Cards for the costs they incurred after firing him from the show. The dismissal of the case filed by Rapp may help to rehabilitate Spacey's public image, but it's unclear whether he will be able to revive his acting career. Many people in Hollywood and the general public have expressed outrage and disgust at Spacey's alleged behavior, and it may take a long time for him to regain the trust and respect of his colleagues and fans. It's also worth noting that the dismissal of Rapp's case doesn't necessarily mean that Spacey will be acquitted of all the charges in the future. As mentioned earlier, he still faces 5 charges of sexual assault in the UK. And the outcome of those cases is yet to be determined. In conclusion, the dismissal of the sexual assault lawsuit filed by Anthony Rapp against Kevin Spacey is a complex and controversial issue. While it may be seen as a victory for Spacey, it's important to remember that justice for victims of sexual assault and harassment should always be a priority. The dismissal also highlights the challenges and limitations of the legal system when it comes to cases of sexual assault, and the need for continued efforts to improve the justice system and support victims. We hope that the outcome of the remaining cases against Spacey is just and fair, and that the #MeToo movement continues to raise awareness about sexual harassment and assault in all areas of society. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.